guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you guys could tell by the title, today we're gonna be unboxing some Skims hotel. I am actually excited because I want y'all to know I was not finna order this line, and then one of the homegirls hit me up like, so what did you get? And I'm like, shoot, let me go get something. And then I went back on the site and saw that the pink, the cherry blossom shade, was selling out, so your girl stacked up. And then I got the white dress. Like, I got what I wanted to originally get, but I was gonna pass, but I got the stuff. It came today. Let's hop into it because I am so excited. Okay, so just a little first impressions. I think let's go for shorts first. Since I got everything in a large. Okay, straight out of the package. I'm over here simultaneously filming for TikTok and YouTube. Super soft. Okay, so honestly, I was not expecting for this to be as buttery and as soft as it was. It's just a little Skims logo. I think honestly, I probably could have gotten away with a medium. I didn't know what to expect because they said like no stretch. So that kind of scared me. But as you guys can see, the thighs are very big. I'm going to have to try it on so you guys can see. But just straight out of the package, it's not giving like too small. You know what Let's just try this bad boy on so I can let you know. Large is perfect. Let me just go see it real quick. Large is perfect. I like that it actually has real like buttons at the crotch. So this is definitely a unisex line. Guys, you could get away with wearing it because the typical Skims boxer shorts, it doesn't have like a pee-pee hole, but this one has buttons. It's actually really comfortable. I don't know what I was expecting from it, but it's super cute. I did get the matching robe and the slippers. So we're gonna just get into the whole fit real quick. Let me film for TikTok. Okay, so the next item was the robe. I had to get it. Like, ooh, okay, so it's really soft. Like, it's astonishingly soft. Like, the softness doesn't make any sense. Like, it's super soft. It's perfect for like, right now, Los Angeles doesn't call for any robes, but it's such a lightweight robe that, oh, it's nice. It's super nice. Oh, it's nice. I was honestly expecting all this stuff to go back, but I'm keeping it all. It's so cute. Like, it's really cute. And it looks like Nordstrom's has some of the stuff available. It's definitely really comfy. It's giving like luxurious hotel rug vibe, hotel vibes. It's giving hotel vibes, okay? Let me just show it to you. Okay, robe wise, I had to take it off because it was a little hot. I feel like the lighting is kind of dull and or dark. It has pockets, which is nice. I really do like the robe. I think that it is so comfy, so casual. I'm definitely going to be keeping it because it's the perfect balance of just wanting a cover up and not feeling too hot. Because I do have her velour robe, and granted it's perfect for winter because it does get cold, December, January-esque in Los Angeles, but that's really cute. Let me show you guys these sandals. So you guys, these are the slippers. They do come in a cool little dust bag. I got a Euro 41, which is my normal size. I like the dust bag. I like that little element of it because I'm like, do I need some 40 whatever dollar slippers? I really didn't feel like I need it. So I like the fact that it's giving a luxurious experience. Sizing wise, I went with what is my normal Euro 41. It kind of is terry clothy. So this is what the sandals look like. It's got the S's all over it, which is nice. It's a thick one. Like, would I wear these outside? No. But would I wear them in the house? Yes. So I think just for my own liking, I probably would have preferred the size 42, which was the biggest size that they offered. The 41s are my normal size. So granted, my foot fits all around. It's just kind of tight at the toe, which I feel like will give some give the longer I wear them. But are they super comfy? Yes. Are they going back? No, because I do think that it is so cute. But I'm just saying, if you like your foot to be a little more, like if you like there to be more shoe than foot, size up, because I'm typically a 41 Euro size. So I stuck with the Euro size, which was a 41, and they're very comfy and they match, so I kind of needed it. Tell myself that, huh? And lastly, I did get the t-shirt dress because originally when I saw this line, I knew that the t-shirt dress was something that I was interested in because I knew I could dress it up and or down, and I went with white. I didn't get any of the gray because I wanted to like step out of the colors that I normally get, because if they had black in this collection, I probably would have got fully black everything, you know what I mean? So this is size large white dress. It's actually really nice. Like material wise, it's giving super soft. I did not know what to expect, and it's really nice. Like, it's luxurious pajamas. luxurious. Would I wear these shorts out? I definitely would, okay? Shorts would be wearing out. I don't know how I feel about the t-shirt dress. This dress, if you're looking for comfort, like if comfort is your overall aesthetic, then you're gonna love it. But if you're looking for something like sexy, I don't find this to be the most flattering. Would it be something that I could dress up? Sure, and or wear out is what I like, because it's like the perfect happy medium of lengthwise. If you're looking to purchase anything from this collection, the shorts are really nice, and I do like the robe. I'm sure the pants are just as nice. So do be sure to stick true to size. If I would have gotten this in a medium, I wouldn't be able to fit the medium at all. Do be sure to shop my affiliate links below. Do be sure to follow me over on TikTok, because I do TikTok videos where I talk about Skims as well. And yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.